This is not a drill. We are living in the beginning of mass extinction. Our climate is breaking down. Children are giving up their education to protest. But we can still fix this. You can still fix this.
We would like to bid you a welcome to our presentation, which is Bio-Roc Organic Compost. I'm delighted that so many representatives have accepted our team to discuss about the topic I have mentioned, which is Bio-Roc. First and foremost, I would like to give you an overview of this topic. According to the previous studies, it shows that Malaysian people produce 0.8 kg waste a day, and that means that 1,800 tons waste are produced in Malaysia every single day. Next, do you know 30,000 tons of waste are produced? 50% of them are food waste, while 40% to 60% can still be eaten. 8 tons was waste by Malaysia. And then I will go on highlight what I see as the main point of this Bio-Roc project. What is this? This the trash to treasure? Yeah, I will briefly explain this term through this presentation. Food waste that had been thrown away still can be changed into valuable things. Next, bacteria from the waste not only can be used to compost but the trash, but it will react as a fertilizer for a plant. Have you ever wondered why do we choose Bio-Roc as our project? There are several surprising details that we had to figure out about this Bio-Roc project. First, it is easy to get. Second, it contains high percentage of good bacteria. This leads directly to my next point, which is how do we overcome the problem? We have made some research and came up with an idea to invent an easy compost fertilizer. In addition to this, I would like to point out about research objective. First of all, to reduce daily excessive waste. Next, to reduce the amount of trash in the world for future generation. And lastly, to find a method on how to use the food waste for goods. Now, I would like to approach my companion to run over this presentation.
So now, let me just run over the key point of this our project, which is methodology. So what does this mean? Methodology is the study of research method, or to become more formally, a conceptual framework for research, a coloring and logical scheme based on views, beliefs and values that guide the choices researchers make. This leads directly to my next point. First, we make fermenting bed, then we make fermenting liquid, lastly, we start the composting method. Let's now move on to the mechanism that we developed as we did the research. First of all, the fertilizers are placed at the bottom of the plants. Furthermore, the bacteria from the fertilizer will provide nutrients for the plants. Hence, the plants will grow healthily. As you can see, we are still detailing our project and we will make sure the progress of all the mechanisms are always working smoothly. Without wasting time, I would like to pass this presentation to my teammate.
Thank you. I sincerely appreciate the call. Hi everyone, I hope you will gain an insight into our Bio-Roc project that obviously will bring good impacts for the world. To put in a word, I will show you several informations about the second part of methodology. I will take this opportunity to explain about nutrients element of Bio-Roc. First, I will show you about an elements of Bio-Roc. It has organic carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sodium, zinc, copper, iron, and manganese. Next, I will show you the temperature control about 60 to 80 Celsius that we use in this project. Then, I will show you the percentage of nutrients element that we use in this project. Lastly, I will show you the percentage of composite. There is 27.8% of water, 71.7% of dry matter, 21.4% of total carbon, 2.6% of total nitrogen, 0.5% of ammonium, 4.2% of total phosphorus pentoxide, and 3.8% of total potassium oxide. So that's all from me. I will pass this presentation to my friends. Thank you.
Thank you for the call just now. I am now approaching the highlight of our Bio-Roc project. What it is significantly about the novelty of our Bio-Roc project. Let's have a closer look about it. We strongly agree to mention that our Bio-Roc project is absolutely a green product. However, it is new product concept 3R, as we already know reduce, reuse, recycle, but we are truly focusing on recycle waste foods. In addition, it is not cost and arm but highly effective. We are pretty sure that most of people can afford our products and it is apparently worth it. Apart from that, we find out some advantages of Bio-Roc project, which is the key point of our project. Secondly, it is easy to prepare so that we don't need to use a lot of energy on this product. Lastly, provide nutrition. I hope these three interesting details that I have pointed out will open your eyes on how our project spread positive impact on the earth. I am now approaching the end of our presentation. This brings to me to summarize generally about our project. Given this, it can be concluded that fertilizer can reduce excessive organic waste that have been thrown away. Furthermore, it can avoid pollution and can control pest reproduction.
Lastly, I'm going to show you our achievement of our product. Firstly, Gold Award in International Festival Innovation on Green Technology 2016, Silver Award in Malaysian International Young Inventor Olympiad 2016, Silver Award in Invention, Innovation and Design Expedition 2016.
Thank you for giving cooperation towards our presentation, and we hope our Bio-Roc project will be considered as a new revolution in our technology industry in this modern era.